Hey, welcome back to another video. It's Hunter Killer. Hey guys, I'll be playing Meep City today, and hope you like it. I was fishing before until I had to restart the video because the game crashed completely. So I'm gonna try fishing, which is not looking too good. Yes, that was a cool thing. That was a cool catch, more like it. Oh, sweet! Oh, that's something that's 28 coins. If I get a bunch of those, I could be rolling in dough right now. And I'm not talking about dough you bake stuff with. I'm talking about the stuff you eat. No, not the stuff you eat. Not the stuff you make food with. Or the stuff you eat. I'm basically talking about money. Or meep coins. 3 coins. Not getting much money out of this. Fishing in the southeast. I'll be fishing on the west, going trying to catch a fish, but I got a bright fish that's not really worth anything. It kind of sucks a bunch, but hey, it's a fish. So let's try and catch something really quick. Oh, we got a granite mulberry fish. Ooh! With 18 coins, 10 less than the. Oh, come on. I got something that's up 4 coins. This is fun, just catching fish. And I ate fish. Now let's head back since I have enough money to go drop off this. But we got 100, maybe 100. I only have 8 fish. I got a lot of expensive ones. Let's see what we can get. Ooh. So your fish, 84 coins. That's not bad. Adopt the meat. Color. White meep. For 100 coins? Oh, yeah. Give your meep a name. Fire. There you go. Orange? Is there orange? Oh, there is orange. Adopt for 100 coins. You're lucky. Firestar, I'm buying you. Because you look like a star on fire. No, makes no sense. Here. Shop. Meep accessories. Hut Doge scarf. Is there anything that could go with like a cat? Oh, cat ears! Perfect. Buying cat ears. Hey, it's 50 coins, so why not? Yes. Meep accessories. Exit this. Hey, I'm not done buying stuff. Meep furniture. Ah, yay. We gotta go back. Fishing rods. Bamboo rod. How good is this? Not even good enough to say, oh, this is good. How you make your cat? How you make your meep a cat? You're earning 50 coins for playing. Oh, that's sweet. That's sweet. Dress up. Oh, he's sleeping on my shoulder. That's cute. Alright, come on, we're leaving. Alright, how good are we doing? I want make my meat look like a cat. Furniture? Ooh, let's see what's in furniture. Woo! We're going to see what's in the furniture store. Hopefully it's good furniture. Oh, it's a cat. Hello. Can you... Oh, that's cool. Look at these. Oh, now these are cool. If you know any of these YouTubers, tell me. I know, Sub-Zero. Or Sub, basically. I know Alex, but, I do not see Dennis. I know Dan TDM too. New pack. Entertainment. Roblox. No party utensils. Great. It's great. Alright, yeah, thanks for helping us on my expedition for some furniture. But, I think you failed it. Exit. Alright, let's just go. Let's go, Meep. These people don't like us. I can understand that, but... come on, fire. Home improvement, yay! Let's just walk in here. Meep! Yay, a penguin. Blueprints, blueprints, paint, flooring. A trailer estate. You know what, that's just garbage. Like, complete garbage. Like, how are you supposed to live in that? Flooring. Terrible. Alright. Anything else? Wallpaper. And there's just a bunch of junk. Alright, let's just go. There's nothing good around here. I need to customize my meep. How do I do that? I need to customize my meep. Meep. Ooh. It's a party tent? The plaza. Yeah, I really don't want to go there. Maybe I do. I don't know. Let's go in here, though. Gaming. Let's go to the plaza. See where our... What else is here? Cause I haven't played this game at all. Meep, 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 meep. There's ice cream, pizza, hospital, Meep City Racing. Ooh, yes, please, Meep City Racing. Can we race our Meeps, please? Yay, Meep Racing. Oh, that card looks cool. Paint. We're gonna need a blue. Wow, that looks terrible. We're gonna need a blue on the outside. Primary color is gonna be... Oh wait, no. Secondary color is gonna be white. Oh wait, no, that looks bad. What about red? Oh no, that looks weird, but cool. Eh? Alright, now, let's race. Let's just quick race, please. Oh, the melody looks cool. Time to race. Race. Ha ha ha. You think you can all beat me? Me racing. Prepare to be defeated by me. Ooh, first place. Ooh, we're doing good so far. Card is in, uh-oh. Uh-oh, careful. Run. Oh! What are we gonna get? E! Ha ha ha. Oh, I almost just ran into my own banana. E! Ah. Oh, he's angry. It's an angry meep. E! Oh god. Ah! Don't fly off the map, please. That'd be terrible. Second place. E! Oh god. E! E! Boost! Oh my god. What's that? Yeah. Oh, don't slip on your own banana. That'd be embarrassing. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Meep, meep, meeping crickets. Meeping, meeping, meeping crickets. I'm meeping. Yeah. Banana peels all over the place. Hopefully I don't get hit straight in the face. Meep, 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 meeping, meeping all the way. All I do is meep, meep, meep. All I do is meep. I am in third place. Don't earn your own banana peel, please. That'd be embarrassing. Just you and me. What does this do? I don't know. It gives me a force field. Also, if I hit something... Oh, don't hit anything now. I just wasted it. Meep, meep, meeping crickets. Meep, meep, meeping. All the way, meeping, meeping, meeping crickets. Meeping crickets, meeping crickets. Do-do-do-do-do. Meeping all the way, meeping crickets. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Meeping all the way. Meeping, 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 meeping all the way. Hey, I got first. Wait, first? Yeah! I got first! Yay! Butter boys. Got first. Shout out to Sammy Star, Fabin Home Manerio, and Skate King. Good job. Yeah, get this card, which looks weird. And why not? Yay, this card looks cool. Well, let's return to Meep City. And, see what we can do. Nom nom nom. Delicious. Now, let's see. No, I don't want your offer. This does that. Starball Bobby. I don't have a house yet. I'm stuck like this. My friends. And we're doing great. Now, if I could just turn my meep into a cat, that'd be great. Can I turn you into a cat, please? Well, guys, I hope you liked this episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ask me if you want to see more. I'll see you guys later. Bye.